Hello everyone, this is Nikita from Plumsail team, and today we have an interview with Luke Gackle from South Australia Tourism Commission. Luke will tell us about their use of SharePoint forms, right?
Hello, nice to meet
Hello,
you.
nice to meet you, Luke. Can you tell us about yourself?
Yeah, so my role is ICT support really. I also take care of a range of different projects because we have quite a small
Mm-hmm.
team here at the South Australian Tourism Commission. So we're all about promoting the state of South Australia and building the industry, the tourism industry here in South Australia, and making sure that we have the best offering for tourism worldwide, really. So we want to get people to come visit here in South Australia.
Well, that sounds just wonderful.
Yeah, so
Can you tell us what challenges you've faced?
Yeah, so I guess the challenges that we're facing really is the main one being that Microsoft InfoPath was an unsupported platform. So if it breaks or if there was a security vulnerability, it wouldn't get updated, and we needed to move to a new platform. So we
Mm-hmm.
searched for a range of different solutions, and Plumsail stood out as one of the best solutions out there. It was a lot more flexible. The automations are in Power Automate. It's built in the Microsoft stack, which we're heavily invested in. So it was a natural choice for us.
Mm-hmm. All right, yeah, that sounds good. What features brought you to Plumsail Forms? Right, what interests you the most? What helped you?
Yeah. Okay. I guess the best features of Plumsail Forms is that we can actually pre-fill a lot of the fields for the staff as they're filling it out. So because they're logged into Microsoft 365, we know who they are, we know what their job title is, so we can actually pre-fill those details for them. Um,
Mm-hmm.
as well as that, the JavaScript allows you to customize basically anything you want about the forms. So it's really flexible.
Well, that's true. That's true. Definitely. Can you give us any examples from your work, any forms that you can tell us about?
So yeah, I guess one of the largest forms that we have is the overseas travel request form, and it has a lot of questions in it. So it's a very detailed form, and Plumsail is able to deal with the amount of data in that form. We're also able to do things like auto calculations within that. To calculate the totals for the staff member as well, so they don't have to do that mathematics by themselves. Um,
Yeah, that sounds good. Any feedback? Any
I
just
think the best thing
overall?
about Plumsail
Mm-hmm.
Forms is that it's built really heavily into the Microsoft stack. So it we're already using services that are um, heavily used and heavily supported by Microsoft, and you're just adding a layer on top of that for the form, like the front end form side, and being able to have so much flexibility and customization around that is amazing. So
All right, Luke. Thank you. Thank you very much. We won't take much more of your time. Pleasure talking to you as
no
always.
worries. Thanks for having me.
Yes. Let us know if you need anything.